Hello, and welcome to the fourth lesson of the NordVPN course. In this one, I will show you the highlights of NordVPN. As I mentioned in the last lesson, hiding your IP is important from cybercriminals, so changing your IP address is one of the features NordVPN has to offer. Do you want to watch your favorite show but it's not available in your region? Change your IP and enjoy. The second perk is that you can use NordVPN easily on PC and on phone as well. Have you ever heard of cookies? Sure, they may sound delicious at first and may boost your web surfing experience, but from the moment you accept any kind of internet cookie, your IP address, browser history, even your on-site behavior are exposed. NordVPN doesn't allow cookies to follow your browsing activities, and the caching process is no way disrupted when using NordVPN. It's more than a VPN, protecting its users from data mining with the help of the security bubble, while also having smooth access to websites, the perfect choice for streaming services and even gaming. Offering you the highest speed there is amongst VPN providers, and offering you surveillance protection. As a conclusion, a VPN is like a Swiss army knife for the internet. You just feel safer with every digital tool for your service. In the next lesson, we will see the perks of having NordVPN. See you in the next one.